Welcome to Circuit Peak. Winter's closing in, foggy glass, long commutes, surprise dings. I'm your solver, curating dash cams, LED cabin glow, OBD2 fixes, rock-steady mounts, and a road fridge. They simplify every drive. Tap subscribe, click the description links, and watch for the snow kit later. Peek into what's next. Backseat battles over outlets end now. FLYLEAD 75-watt car charger USB-C for iPhone 17 turns one socket into 4 fast ports for phones, tablets, and cameras. PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 deliver rapid power while Smart IC regulates heat and current. A soft status LED guides nighttime plugs without glare, and the rugged shell handles road vibrations. Included USB-C cable survives daily bends and keeps charging consistent. Road trips calm down, conversations resume, and everyone arrives powered with FLYLEAD 75-watt car charger USB-C for iPhone 17 riding shotgun. Dull cabins flip to lively. Nilight 48 LED's music car strip light syncs colors to your voice and songs through a simple USB plug, lighting footwells and underseats evenly. Peel, stick, and enjoy water-resistant strips that shrug off scuffs and kicks. A handheld remote swaps scenes, brightness, and tempo for cruise nights or weekend parties. Installation takes minutes, yet the mood lift feels immediate. Night drives become memorable with Nilight 48 LED's music car strip light, setting an immersive ambiance without distracting your focus on the road. Daily commutes punish backs quickly. Skechers memory foam car seat covers contour hips and lumbar. Breathable mesh dispersing heat so sweat stays down during summer stop and go. Slide them on and pressure points ease while posture steadies through traffic. Durable stitching and trim protect factory upholstery from wear, spills, and sun. Color accents refresh interiors without bulk or bunching. Long rides feel shorter and recovery faster with Skechers memory foam car seat covers supporting every mile from driveway to destination. Tie. Snacks chilled, skincare crisp, and vibes retro. Frigidaire Retro Mini Personal Fridge plugs into 12 volts for road trips, tailgates, and cabin getaways, then swaps to household power indoors. A locking latch secures cans over bumps, while the compact handle carries easily. Thermoelectric cooling hums quietly below ambient, keeping drinks refreshing without compressors. Shelves organize cans and treats so clutter vanishes. Road life stays organized and convenient with Frigidaire Retro Mini Personal Fridge, keeping favorites close and perfectly tempered wherever you roam. Backseat craning ends here. Lamicall Headrest Tablet Holder extends, pivots, and locks screens at kid-friendly distance so necks relax during shows, games, and maps. A metal crossbar tames wobble across potholes and speed bumps, keeping pictures steady. Rotate 360 degrees for portrait homework or landscape movies, and anti-slip pads protect cases. Tool-free install finishes in seconds between errands. Trips turn peaceful as Lamicall Headrest Tablet Holder delivers stable viewing, quiet seats, and fewer "are we there yet" moments. Range anxiety shrinks with portable power on command. Schumacher Electric 16-amp 240-volt Level 2 charger feeds EVs faster through the J1772 connector, while a 120-volt adapter covers emergencies. Status LEDs remain visible in dim garages. Built-in protections guard overcurrent and voltage events. A 28-foot cable reaches awkward driveways and street parking easily. Compact storage keeps trunks tidy beside tire inflators and tools. Trips and daily top-offs feel simple with Schumacher Electric 16-amp 240-volt Level 2 charger ready whenever you are. Old dashes learn new tricks instantly. Volam 10x25 CarPlay Screen brings a sharp 1920 by 720 display, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in Netflix and YouTube for parked passengers. True split screen keeps maps visible while shows stream beside directions. Instant Wake resumes sessions after fuel stops, saving taps and time. A 1080p backup camera improves parking confidence with crisp guidelines day or night. Dual-band Wi-Fi stabilizes connections on highways and in garages. Volam 10.25-inch CarPlay Screen modernizes cabins elegantly without replacing the factory stereo head unit. Quick pit stop. Comment your favorite so far, hit like, and subscribe for more car gadgets. Click the description links to upgrade your setup now, then come right back for the next picks. Pre-dawn snow piles up fast around mirrors, roofs, and wipers. AstroAI 2-in-1 Ice Scraper and Snow Shovel Kit extends reach to clear windshields without soaking sleeves or shoulders painfully. A pivoting brush hugs curves, while dense bristles push slush aside efficiently. The scraper blade bites ice cleanly, without gouging glass or trim. Buckle joints assemble quickly in the cold, and EVA grips stay comfortable even with gloves. Winter departures start safer and quicker with AstroAI 2-in-1 Ice Scraper and Snow Shovel Kit clearing paths. Small injuries stall road days when supplies scatter unexpectedly. First Aid Only Car 91248. OSHA-compliant kit organizes bandages, gauze, ointments, gloves, and tools behind a clear cover so essentials appear immediately. Durable latches keep contents secure inside trunks, vans, and dusty work sites for months. Individual compartments reduce rummaging during stressful moments and keep refills obvious. Keep one per vehicle for families, contractors, and weekend projects. First Aid Only Car 91248. OSHA-compliant kit turns panic into prepared action when minutes truly matter most. Check engine again and still guessing? Innova 1000 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner streams real-time data for engine, ABS, and SRS directly to your phone with clear definitions. Pair with Repair Solutions 2 to see likely fixes and parts without subscriptions or hidden fees involved. Clear codes after repairs and confirm readiness before inspections confidently. Support covers most vehicles since 1996 across major brands. Innova 1000 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner shrinks guesswork, speeds diagnosis, and reduces repeat shop visits significantly. Diagnostics feel approachable, with clear guidance right when lights appear. Wrappers and receipts invade cabins quickly after every stop. Femuar leak-proof car trash can mounts within reach, seals odors under a soft X lid, and wipes clean thanks to the PEVA liner inside. Mesh pockets hold wipes, sanitizer, and spare bags for grab-and-go tidying. On road trip days, fill with ice to double as a compact cooler. When cargo space matters, fold it flat in seconds and stash easily. Femuar leak-proof car trash can keeps interiors tidy, discreet, and passenger-ready every ride. Driveway details get satisfying very quickly. Armor-All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit connects to a pressure washer or garden hose to lay thick suds that lift grime before touching paint carefully. A non-slip grip steadies long passes, and marked lines simplify soap mix ratios precisely. For stubborn tar, pre-treat directly before foaming for better release and shine. Rinse reveals a brighter finish with fewer swirls and less scrubbing required. Armor-All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit upgrades weekend washes effortlessly and affordably. When incidents happen, clarity protects you and your story. Cobra Smart Dual View Front and Rear Dash Cam records true 4K up front with a paired rear camera capturing tailgaters, bumps, and license plates. 360 alerts warn about speed traps and red light cameras via the Drive Smarter community network. Hardwired Parking Live View checks your vehicle remotely whenever motion occurs. Incident reports streamline insurance sharing and documentation later. Cobra Smart Dual View Front and Rear Dash Cam preserves decisive evidence mile after mile traveled. Keep tabs on routes and sensitive gear discreetly on busy days. LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker magnetically mounts and reports movement in real time with geofence alerts to your phone immediately. Motion-activated sleep preserves battery between trips, and the compact weather-resistant shell hides easily under frames. Historical playback reveals patterns across days and weeks for planning. Subscription options remain flexible as needs change over seasons. LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker adds recovery confidence for vehicles, trailers, and equipment everywhere. Peace of mind follows you between job sites, schools, and storage lots. Wobbly mounts sabotage directions at the worst intersections and exits. iOttie Easy One Touch Signature Mount locks your phone with a single press, extends to 8 inches, and pivots for glare-free angles quickly. A magnetic tab manages charging cables neatly to prevent snags and rattles. The adjustable bottom foot fits bulky cases without slipping or blocking ports. Dashboard or windshield, stability stays strong over bumps and heat. iOttie Easy One Touch Signature Mount delivers premium, one-handed mounting every drive, every day. That's the lineup. Comment which gadget you'd install first. Hit like and subscribe for more. Remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Check the description for the links. Peek into what's next. Want to see more? Check out the video on the left, or check out the Car Gadget playlist on the right.